The spatula cleans the dust in the gap and the water on the inner wall of the tile. Mud-hard cement can be slanted 45. Clean up as deep as possible to ensure a uniform depth. There are deep and shallow. Otherwise, it is easy to produce gas when pressing seams. Use a vacuum cleaner or brush to suck up the dust in the gap of the tiles and clean it up. The adhesive force of each seam will also be stronger. Wipe the edge of the tile gap with a semi-dry towel. Pay attention to the cement black edge on the edge of the tile. Be sure to wipe it clean. There will be defects. Otherwise, the beautiful seam later may damage the beauty seam. After wiping all 4 clean, apply beautiful sewing wax. The purpose of this is convenient to clean up the remaining materials of the beautiful seam later, so as not to cause the collapse of porcelain. Pay attention to the waxing of the yang corner of the wall. The force affecting the beautiful seam in the gap should be 5 dozen against the sides. Soak in water at 60 or 70 degrees for about 10 minutes to increase the fluidity. Then cut the hose into gaps, and remember not to be 45 degrees at the mouth of the diagonally. Otherwise, it will be difficult to hit the gap. And it is also easy to run left and right. Before gluing, hit the front end 20 centimeters of waste prevention. Uniform effect 6. Start gluing. Pay attention to the angle of the glue gun when it is and control it above 60 degrees. If the hose and tiles are relatively close, the thin layer is easy to fall off later. When gluing the wall, hit the vertical line first, and then the horizontal line can be uneven, but it must be full. Kimei seam construction can be constructed according to the area. After an area is over, hurry up and press the seam and press the seam. It is easy to eliminate this plastic seam sheet first. Secondly, the deformation should not be used up to press the seam ball. There will be depressions after sewing. It is recommended to use a Wugang seam plate to choose a side pressure with sheet and the tile form a 30-degree angle. The smaller the angle, the more the pressure gap. First press one of the seams arbitrarily. Then press the left and right gaps to both sides respectively and use it when pressing the yang angle of the wall. The device is more suitable for novice operation. After all construction is completed, wait 24 hours for the beautiful seam to cure. Use a cleaning shovel to clean up the excess material on both sides of the gap so that the beautiful seam will be